What's up? I am Tori, be your renegade driver. So today I'm gonna be doing Instacart. I have one of my minions with me. So before I get started, I want to go ahead and show you guys a few things, because once you sign up for Instacart, they send you a few things before you can actually get started. So they're gonna send you a lanyard that has like their logo on it, and then they're gonna send you a Visa card. I'm gonna show you what that look like. So they send you this Visa card. It looks like an actual credit card. It has an actual number, an actual expiration date, and everything. The only thing with this card is it can only be used while you're doing orders. This is not a credit card. It's literally only used with the app, so that once you make it to the register, you can complete the transaction. Google Pay, they also have a feature with Google Pay where if your phone is compatible with the feature or the software where it allows Google Pay. I had it, but this new phone I have does not have that feature, so I have to use the actual card. Other than that, though, certain stores like Costco's or BJ's or whatever, you cannot use the Google Pay feature. You have to use the actual card. The card comes with the pin and everything. Also, too, they give you these bags here. I believe they sent me like 3 or 4 of them. I think they sent me 3 of them. But this is what the inside look like. They're lined with I have other bags in here. So they gave, like I said, they gave me like 3 bags, but this is what the inside look like. It's like this metallic kind of material, and this, for the purpose of it, is to keep the food cold so that it doesn't spoil fast or whatever. Also, what's convenient about these bags is let's say you have a lot of groceries. This just allows your delivery to be like a one-stop kind of thing, instead of coming back and forth to the car. But however you choose to do your delivery is up to you. And I reference Uber a lot because, like I told you guys in the first videos, I do Uber majority of the time because I'm able to make the most money over there. But I'm showing you guys this because during the pandemic, Instacart was popping. Like nobody was leaving their homes, nobody was going nowhere, everybody needed to eat, and so it was a lot of money to be made when the pandemic first happened. And there's still money to be made, because as people kind of get used to being able to order their food and stuff like that through, services like this, people still utilize them. I don't know if I told this story before, but I had one customer that I did a Uber pickup for, and she was telling me how she had got into an accident and she was on crutches and she wasn't able to leave her house, and she liked services like this because she was able to grocery shop and not have to leave home. But anywho, so let me show you guys. So this is what the app looks like. I'm gonna actually, as I go along, I'm gonna explain to you guys certain things in the apps that are great quality features. I went to sleep with the AC on, so my nostrils are a little congested. Alright, so they have one here, all these for $11, 35 items, 48 units. That's almost 50 items, and all that means is that a few of those items, CVS for $11 for 6 items, I'll do that. Oh, somebody got it. You gotta grab them quick, okay? They'll be gone. Let's see. All right, so once you click that you've accepted the order, this is the screen that'll pop up. It shows you the address, which is in Belleville. It shows you the items. It shows you the number of items. It shows you the actual items as well. So if you feel like there's something on there you don't want to have to deal with, or whatever the case may be, it's your discretion. But I'm gonna go ahead and click navigate, and then once I get to the store, then I'll show you guys what that looks like in the app. Okay, my recording seemed to be a little off today, but you see how it says that 2.4 miles? That just means that that's how close your shopping order is from you picking that up. Okay, so somebody else took it. There's a $7 order here. I don't like doing small orders like that. 7 orders set up, 7 items is 4 minutes away. And I ain't really doing nothing else. I don't want to sit here in front of my last customer's house until I get a good order. So maybe I'll do it just for the heck of it. Alright, let's see. Also, too, I was just telling you guys about Kroger's, and so I'll be able to show you guys. I'll be able to show you like how they have their setup through the app, cause it like tells you what aisle to go down and what shelf is on, and like I said, it just makes the shopping a little bit easier. So, alright, until then. Alright, so I've made it to Kroger. Okay, so let me tell you guys. So, hold on. This up while I explain this. Trying to hold the phone and hold the camera a little bit too much. Alright. So what I usually do when I do grocery store orders is I always try to do the produce first. And reason being is because the way the app works is they have you do the produce sometimes by weight, or sometimes it be by item. So like, let's say somebody want a bushel of bananas, but they don't want the whole bushel, they just want 3. It'll say that, and then it'll say make sure that this item don't weigh more than 1 pound, or make sure that this doesn't weigh this. So I always do produce first, even if, let's see, so it says 7 items. And okay, so this is what the list look like. And what I do is I go through the list to see what's on it. Okay, so there's no produce. That's just kind of to let you know where about how much they chose to spend within the app, because any of those things that have to be weighed, the weight actually affects the cost of it. And because of the fact that the thing has a timer on it, I try not to start it until I'm like approaching the door, because I don't want to be in my car and waste 30 seconds. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna start it now on this side. All right, let's grab a buggy. All right, so you want to push it? All right. Alright, so bakery, desserts, prep foods. Alright. Alright, so these are the chickens. It look a little bit different. Here it has it in a bag, but on the app it has it. Oh, it says 8 piece. Let's see. That's a roasted chicken. This don't say 8 piece. Okay, it has a little thing here. So I guess the one that they actually want isn't here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the option that says can't find item and then see what the replacement option is. Alright, so can't find item. Let's see. Alright, so I can either let them know in the app this is what they have. So I'm gonna take a picture of the whole stand, take a photo. And then what it does is it send a message, let them know that they don't have what they asked for, and then they have a few minutes to like text me back and let me know if they want something different or if they just want to cancel the whole thing. So the bakery section is not too far from here, so I'm gonna go over to the bakery section while I wait for them to respond.
They made a cookie. Look at the top one. They have a flower.
Alright, and so this is the response. So they responded back and said they wanted the $7.99 one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in as a replacement option. So come on, hold on, let me see.
Can I hold the camera for you?
Alright, let's go over here. We're gonna check it first, then we can go with that. Alright, so I'm gonna put can't find. So,
Oh, it turned off.
So I'm gonna click can't find item. This is the $7.99 one that they suggested that they wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and click select the replacement. Don't be and then I'm gonna. Ooh, that's hot.
Really? Let me see.
All right, so one here.
Ooh, wow, it's really hot.
All right. So what's gonna happen is the one that I just sent as a replacement is gonna get sent to the customer, and then they're gonna either choose if they accept it or not, because it's gonna tell them the exact flavor it is. It's gonna tell them what's in it and all of that just by scanning the barcode. And yeah, so anyway, on to the next. So
Hi.
I see chocolate brownies, but I don't see the one that they're looking for. So let me see. I'm gonna check this table real quick. Oh, actually, maybe it is here. No, that don't look like it. Okay, no, that's not it. All right, so I'm gonna do can't find item, and then I'm gonna select these brownies as a replacement.
Those brownies.
These are muffins, even though they're looking for brownies.
Look at these muffins. These muffins are fluff.
Can't find. Take a photo. Actually, so take a photo of the whole thing. So even though I sent that to them, I think I'm gonna go ahead and select that as a replacement anyway. So as I continue to shop, they can either approve or deny the replacement that I chose. Once we find the mashed potatoes, then we can go down the aisles to get the rest of the order. Found it. Alright. The garlic one. Alright, so I click found item. Scan it and it's all set. So right here, okay, so now that I got all the stuff that's out from like the meat department, so everything else is down the aisles, which should make this a lot more simpler. I've wasted 10 minutes already. I have 4 more minutes that, you know, this said that this should be completed. And the rest should be easy because it's right down the aisles. It tells you if it's on the top or the bottom or whatever it is. So we're gonna start with aisle 4, then we're gonna go to 6 and then 16. All right, here. All right, come on, aisle 4 first. Let's see. So another thing to pay attention to when it comes to like doing this is the ounces. I'm gonna show you guys this one like up close. So the ounces on here matter because they have the same products, but they have them in different sizes. So this one here says 18 fluent ounce. So I found the product, but okay, I found the 18 ounce. But like I said, they come in different sizes. So paying attention to the ounces. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that I found it and scan the barcode. Hold up. All right, let's go to the next one. 7.7. Okay, and then the last one. Barcode. And then now we're off to checkout. Now, let me show you guys here. I completed it in 15 minutes and 4 seconds, and it said that the goal is 14 minutes. So I'm a little over, but that's okay. So we're gonna review changes, because this is also another thing. Because sometimes on the other end, they have to review the changes. They have to approve or deny. Sometimes if they haven't accepted it, it won't let you go further. But they said no need to call. They didn't change any of the changes, because sometimes the customers will be a little particular. Like if I make a suggestion for a replacement, and if they don't want it, they'll suggest like I had someone suggest like 5 other things while I was in here shopping for their stuff. But like I said, as the day go on and I continue to get more, I guess, challenging orders or not, I'll explain to you guys what's going on and how it works and all that stuff. All right. So right here, so when you're shopping at Kroger, a lot of times the customer will put in their Kroger card or whatever. And so one barcode is to scan to prove your Instacart order, and then the other barcode is the customer's membership card or whatever. And then you swipe as credit, and you, like I said, the last one, you swipe as credit, you go ahead and get the receipt, because you have to take a picture of it in order to complete the order. What you want to say?
Hi.
That's it?
Yeah.
Or you want to look weird like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
I do have an Instacart order, so I don't know if you need to scan the barcode first. Sorry. Or you pay as credit. But the app will tell you what to do, because it's not always the same at every store. Like I said, thank you, have a good one. Okay, so like I was saying, some stores, they'll ask you to use the card as debit. But like I said, the app will prompt you on which option to use. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and load the cart up, take a picture of the receipt, and continue this order and see what we have next.